Yo! Bro, I gotta tell you, bro. Tara's beatbox, bro, it's like bro is just so amazing. It's just so amazing. Right? I've done a reaction to the first video that you have done. Right? And I was so impressed. Impressed enough that you guys stated that I should check out this particular one, right? But this is a feature with Mr. Improver here. I'm really impressed, bro. Really impressed. So, without further ado, let's see what's up with this particular one, because so much suggestion under one song, I guess it's something phenomenal then, right? So, let's dive in. Peace. Here I was thinking that only Mr. Taras Stanin could only do this, but I stand incorrected, right? This is really incredible. Really incredible, because I always think that music can only generated by just only instruments only, but to see someone with only just the mouth and the throat and the tongue doing this, magnificent job. Magnificent.
Baby, I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm wasted. All I wanna do is take you down, baby.
Right now, this guy's voice is so much to handle. So, hey, music is phenomenal when we know what we're doing, right? Music is phenomenal when we need some music within us, right? But to hear this one, it stands out from the rest. It's quite a peculiar situation where you just can't get enough of it, right? Because the instrument that they are using from the mouth is really incredible. Awesome job, bro. Awesome job. Outstanding. Outstanding. When you talk about breath control, when you talk about controlling the way how we use those notes, those drop beats, those beatbox notes, I gotta say, outstandingly done, bro. Outstandingly done. Bro, music is just a work of art that you just can't get enough of it. You have to just look deeper and deeper and deeper. The more you look, the deeper it gets, right? And this is what we call good music. Let's continue.
Drive home to you.
Bro, I mean, like, his skills, right, is seriously powerful, right? We have a lot of people in this world. It would be so surprising that whenever time they show themselves on camera, you will be like absolutely stunned, because there are some people out there who can do something like this, but they are not really fortunate enough to get a camera. But to see some things like this, literally displaying here is a superb job. Very superb job. And it is just amazing.
baby. I'm wasted. All I wanna do is take you down, baby.
Yo! Yo! Bro, this is really and truly amazing, right? I really do like the improver's voice as well. The two voices combining together to form this wonderful beat. It is incredibly good, bro. Incredibly good. Hats off to these men, bro. Hats off. I'm impressed. Yo! Bro, ain't no freaking way, bro. Ain't no freaking way. This couldn't be possible right now. This couldn't be possible. This is so outstanding. Whoa! Oh man, my ears are literally in depth with these voices, bro. What? Yo, this is so amazing. I'm amazed right now. Whoa. Yo. Bro, this finished too short. It should have been longer, right? It should have been longer because this is outstandingly amazing, right? I never heard nothing like this in my entire life, bro. Right? These two collaborating to make one. The force is just so strong enough to give us that excellent beat. Impressive. Impressive. Guys, thank you so much for your suggestion. And if you guys do have any more that you want me to check out, feel free to leave it down in the comments. I'll be checking that out after this reaction. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.